Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install, but first I'm going to start off by reviving this wig. It needs to be washed and taken care of, so right now I'm just going to start off by washing it with my favorite shampoo, the Cream of Nature sulfate-free shampoo. After that, I'm going to start the blow drying process. Okay, after I finish washing the hair, I'm going to proceed to detangle it with a wide tooth comb. After this, I'm going to put it on the wig head and I'm going to blow dry it until the hair is fully dry, and then I will start the install process. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put my foundation where the lace is. The foundation shade that I use is Frontal 57 by Sephora. So I'm gonna put it inside the lace area so that I don't have to, so that it blends properly. So after I blend in the foundation into the lace, I proceed to put the wig on my head, and then I use a lighter shade foundation, lighter than my skin color, to make the part in the middle precise. When I do colored hair, I notice that when I use foundation that is my color, it doesn't look natural, or it doesn't show as much. So I go like a shade lighter so that when I do put it on, you can see the line much clearer and it looks more real. So now I'm going to be pasting down my wig with Got2b glue and the Got2b freeze spray. I used to use the freeze spray alone, but it would only last my wig a couple of hours. And then I noticed that when I use the the gel instead of the spray, that it lasts way longer, maybe a day and a half more than it would with just the freeze spray. And sometimes I put the freeze spray on top just to see if it does anything extra. I'm not sure if it really does, but yeah, the glue is the best one, the best thing to use as far as putting the wig on. And I can't keep my wig on for that long. The most I can keep it on for is a day and a half, which is kind of a stretch. But I'm saying that to say I don't use wig glue, the original wig glue that like keeps the wig on for real. I can't use that because I just can't keep the wig on for that long. That's why I don't use that. And also I don't have the wig remover, so it's just the glue remover, so it's just like hard to get off the wig and hard to get off my hairline. So yeah, so now I'm gonna start flat ironing my hair. The flat iron that I'm using is the Infinity Pro by Conair 1-inch flat iron. It's a really good flat iron. I got it about 2-3 years ago when I was in, I don't know, but I got it a couple years ago at CVS, and it's a really good flat iron. It gets your hair really straight with really not a lot of passes if you do it on your natural hair. But since this is a wig, I just did it a lot of times just to get it as straight as possible. Okay, so now it's time for me to do the baby hairs. I was trying to do the baby hairs that I seen Aaliyah J did recently, where she had the big baby hairs and they was flipped up, like flat iron flipped. And I thought it looked cute, so I wanted to try it real quick. But it was cute, but I would do it on a different wig. So for this, I just did the baby hairs regularly. And yeah. So for applying wigs, I'd say I have to get better at hiding the lace more, especially in the middle part, front area. That's a hard part for me to blend, especially when the hair is colored. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that. Or maybe it's just a wig, or maybe it needs to be better lace. But that's something I'm gonna try to work on. Or maybe I should put a baby hair swoop in the middle. I don't know. I haven't done that in a really, really long time. I probably did that on my first wig I ever had, but I'm gonna see how that looks, because I really don't like the lace showing in the middle. But other than that, the other areas of the lace I'm pretty good at hiding. So yeah, I just have to work on that area. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Enjoy the rest of the video and the music. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Put a comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Tell me all your... Just tell me about yourself. Put something in the comments below. Try to interact. I'm going to try to interact with you guys more. So, thank you so much. Bye. So, just tell me something about yourself in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one.
Big party at the West Indies. Welcome to the laptop champion.